Hello all, today's video is all about unboxing, a review and a read aloud of a new set of books that we have bought from Dream Books. I usually buy books from them for the past 1.5 years, and I must say that they do have an excellent collection of books, both pre-loved as well as new books. So do give them a try. They are available in Facebook, Insta as well as in WhatsApp. So now let's move on to our unboxing and the read aloud.
ബെന്നി ബുക്സാണ് ഇത്തവണ അമ്മ വാങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. കുഞ്ഞമ്മ വാങ്ങിയതല്ല, അമ്മ വാങ്ങിയതാണ് കേട്ടോ. ബെന്നിയുടെ ബുക്സ് ഇനി ഇതിൽ എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ബെന്നിയോ? ബെന്നി സാഡാണോ ഹാപ്പിയാണോ? സാഡായി. Benny is jealous, Benny is shy, Benny is lonely, Benny is angry, Benny is bored, and Benny is sad. ഇതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമുക്ക് കുറച്ച് നഴ്സറി റൈംസിൻ്റെ ബുക്കും വാങ്ങിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. പിന്നെ ഹൈഡ് ആൻഡ് സീക്ക്, പോസ്റ്റ്മാൻ ബെൽ. ഇത് ജൂലിയ ഡൊണാൾഡ്സൺ ബുക്കാണ്. ലിഫ്റ്റ് ദ ഫ്ലാഗ് ബുക്കാണ്. ഹായ് ഷാനി, ടുഡേ ലെറ്റ്സ് റീഡ് ബെന്നി ഈസ് ആംഗ്രി. Benny is very angry. In the morning, his baby brother tears his book. He clenches his fists. It is his favorite book. In school, his friend does not share his crayons. Benny gets angry again. In the bus, there is no seat for him to sit on. His face becomes red with anger. In the park, he falls down. He sees Tammy standing behind him. He thinks Sammy has pushed him. He shouts at Tammy, but Tammy has not pushed Benny. Tammy begins to cry. Benny gets up and gives a push to Tammy. Tammy cries even louder. Tammy's mom sees the fight. She comes over there to help the children. Benny shouts and tells Tammy's mom about the whole incident. Tammy keeps crying. Tammy's mom sees that Benny is angry. She asks the children if they want to play a game. Benny loves games. Tammy has stopped crying. Tammy's mom tells children to yell at each other. Benny yells, "Tammy, you are my best friend." Tammy yells, "Benny, you are my best friend." Tammy's mom tells them to do karate chops in the air. Can you both do karate chops in the air? Yeah. The children giggle and do. Other children also join in. Benny does a karate chop. Here. Tammy does a karate chop too. Tammy's mom makes the children play games. Benny comes first in the race in the park. All the children clap for him. Tammy claps too. Can you all clap for Benny? Clap. Yay! Benny is not angry anymore. He says sorry to Tammy. Tammy's mom pats Benny's back. Benny does not know that she has helped him to get happy again.